Hi class, I'm just going to step you through solving one of these problems so that you feel comfortable. So if we look at the first problem, oops, I didn't want to do that. I'm going to activate my highlighter and I see that I have 48 cards. Mateo has 48 and he puts them in stacks of 4 so he and his friends can play a game. This problem sounds very familiar. So these two problems should be review for you because we've already solved a problem like this. So I'm going to come over to my grid paper. I put grid paper on by just clicking on background and sliding down, and there's grid paper right here. So I put it on. You can do that too. So I have 4 down. One. Oh, I don't want to use that. I want to use this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember when we did this before, I went over 10. Actually, I'm going to erase because I might need to start all the way over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I went over 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can write a 4 here. 10 times 4 is 40. But I have 8 left. So I need to get to 848. So I'm going to make 2 more columns here. 1, 2. Since that's 4, this is 2. I'm going to erase this because I'm going to put a plus 2 right here. And I'll put 10 times 4 down here and 2 times 4 over here. Oops. And I get 8 right here, which when we add 40 plus 8, we get 48. So there's my area model. Now, it says here that I'm supposed to draw it on grid paper, and really this is base 10 blocks because I did 4 rows of 10 and then 2 rows of 1s. When I draw my pictorial model, I don't have to put in my base 10, but I know this side is 4. And on the inside, I have 48. I'm trying to figure out what I'm multiplying by to get 48 because that will help me know what my quotient is, which is my other side of my area model. And over here for my algorithm, I am doing the partial quotient. So 48. I'm going to draw an L like we did yesterday, long L. So we said 10 times 4. 10 times 4 is 40. So that's my first part, 40. I also write a 10 up here. I'm just going to erase this big part so that it's not so confusing. I need to say what, and I'm not done because I need to be at 48. So 40 plus 8 is 48. What times 4 equals 8? Well, 4 plus 4 is 8. So 2 4s. So I know that 10 plus 2 is 12. So that is my quotient, which is the other side of my area model. So remember, area, I'm working backwards, that's why it's tricky. So over here, I know that I could try 10. 10 times 4 is 40. So I go ahead and subtract my partial quotient. And I get 8. 4 times 2 is 8. I write my 8 down, my partial quotient, and I subtract again, and I get 0 here. But 10 plus 2 is 12. So my solution is 12. Now, if I was going to round this, I could say 50 divided by 5. So 50 divided by 5 would be 10. So yeah, my estimate is close to my solution. So you're going to be trying 5 more problems. And remember, this second problem you've already seen before because we just did it together right here in the first video. Good luck, and remember that effort matters. We don't have to be perfect. We're going to make mistakes. And remember, this is a very challenging skill, but effort matters. Trying helps your teacher know where you need help. And so keep that in mind. Good luck and happy dividing.